You have a workstation, a wall, an area that you need to have an LED light and hang up, brighten up the area. This unboxing, we're going to show you what comes inside and how it's stored. All the information provided. A little piece of foam, accessory kit that has instructions, remote control, hardware, and USB cable. We have here is a bracket, right angled, and the light about 18 to 2 feet. You have a picture that you want to hang up, shine down, shine up, or a work area, comes on by feather touch. Over here you simply touch the buttons and it lights up, and this is the sensor. It dims down and it brightens up. 2 eye hooks, curvature with the magnetic area that you simply just attach. We're going to charge our unit for the first time with the USB-C cable. You get about 3 feet of cable, and we're going to just take our cable here and charge the unit up. We have 25% increments, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. When they're all 4 lit in blue, it's fully charged. In order to operate your remote control, please pull the plastic out. You have your on, your off, your soft, medium, and cool Kelvin, your negative and positive to increase and decrease your lighting, 15, 30, and 60-minute timer. You have your on and off, and your light. When plugged in, you could turn the light on, change the Kelvin by simply tapping. Long press to decrease and increase. To shut the unit off by remote control and turn it on, you must hit the on button and choose the kelvins you are after. You could decrease and increase the light by about a number of increments, and then hit the timer. It gives a quick blink. I'm going to hang my light up over here, lock it down, and just simply place it on and adjust it accordingly the way I like. And when I'm ready to work, I have light. If I want to increase the different types of colors and choose what I like, or increase and decrease the light, I can do so. Hang the bracket upside down, and you could display your products. It adds additional accent to your collection of items, and if you ever want to recharge, you may do so. Just shut the unit off, charge it up for the next time. Check online for further details about your product and what types you are after. I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.